Hello, my name is Frank and welcome to my network. I have a small garden house with indoor plants like vegetables, flowers, and succulents. Today I will recommend two kinds of LED granite, and as you know, the LED granite is so popular all over the world. And today I will share the video and tell you how to recognize the LED granite. At first, you have to understand two factors. The first factor is about the voltage. In my opinion, and I will clarify the voltage to be the theory voltage and the real voltage. So when you choose the LED granite, you have to pick up the real power consumption. And for this LED granite bulb, and some people will clarify the theory voltage to be 200 voltage. But actually, it consumes about 40 power consumption. Okay, the second one is about the spectrum, and there is the full spectrum and Sunlike spectrum. Okay, today I will show you what it's like. Today I have one LED granite bulb for you guys, and this LED granite is with the E27 base, and also can be used in USA E26. Now let me check what is it inside. And also you can see the packing is so beautiful, right? And there are so many images. Wow, you know, I take this LED granite bulb just like a flower. As you can see, this one is folding one, and you can fold LED granite bulbs. And also you can check the structure. This is the plastic structure. It's white. And this is the E27 base. It's very easy to use it, just connect it with the power. And also you can see inside how beautiful with the LED diode. And also you can see the transparent cover. This is transparent cover can protect LED very well.